Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync your CapCut with your TikTok account. So in here, what you need to do is open the CapCut apps. So I've already on the CapCut apps, and to sync your CapCut with TikTok, just click on the sign in button. Click on this and there will be this page. So there are four options, but if you want to sync with TikTok, you can just click on log in to TikTok. Just click on that, and in here you need to authorize CapCut to access your TikTok account. So just tap on authorize in here. Just wait until it finishes. So CapCut will sync with your TikTok. And just like that, now my CapCut has already synced with my TikTok account. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.